Okay, so welcome once more. We are going to do this 2D drawing in AutoCAD. Very simple one. Now let's get the understanding of the drawing and then we can continue. Now we have two circles, inner, outer, with radius. The inner one 10, outer one 20. The same thing is down here, and we have these two slots. Okay, and that slots, you can see the distance from the middle here to the middle of this slot is 45 mm, and then the distance between these two slots is 30, and then the total distance from this circle to this circle is 120, and then the arc that is tangent to this slot and the circle is with radius 100 mm, and then the distance between these two slots is actually 80. So let's start with this circle of radius 20 and 10 and continue. So open your AutoCAD and go to the circle command with radius. Click. So we have radius of 10, I guess, and 20. So enter 10. It's too small. You can zoom out to become big. Go to circle command again, then enter radius of 20. Okay, now it's the same thing down. So see, this circle is the same thing here, so we just copy it 120 down. So select the whole circles, use the shortcut, or you can click on the copy. Shortcut is CO, press enter. Now click from the center or anywhere, make sure the green tracking line is passing through the center. You can click anywhere, drag it down 120, make sure it's in line. You can see this green tracking line. If it goes like this, it will not be straight, so make sure it's in a green line, then enter 120, then see to be down, then press escape to exit. Now we want to draw this slot. The slot from the center to this place to this center is 45, so I'll just draw a line to help me. So use the line command. I'll type L, and from the center I'll come down 45. Okay, and then I'll go to the right side. You can see it's 80, so half of it will be 40. So I'll go down to the right side 40 and press enter. Now I'll press escape. Now you can, the slot is a circle. Okay, so we have a radius of 6 inner and then 12 outer. So just pick a circle, click here, radius of 6, enter, press enter again to activate the circle command, then 12. Okay, now the distance between the two, like the distance between the slot is 30, so I'll copy this one and then move from the center and go down 30. Good. Now after I'm done, I'll just join it with straight line. So select your line command, click the end, make sure you see the green quadrant, square, and then you click again, click here, and the last one. Good. So after that, you trim all the unwanted lines. So you can use the trim command or the shortcut, which is TR. You press enter, then you click and then trim all the unwanted lines. Good. Now press escape to exit. Now you can delete this line. Now we need to mirror this thing to the left side as well, to this side. So select all of them and then use the mirror command, or you can type MI for shortcut and click the center of the circle. Okay, now erase source object, select no. Okay, so let's try and get the arc to this circle and the slot. So with that, I'll just go to my circle command and then I'll take tan radius. Now click this circle, click the outer part, enter a radius of 100, press enter. You see, so you need to trim this side. Okay, now let's mirror. Select this one, click mirror, say no, Now select these two arcs, mirror again. Now select the center of this place, click, and then say no. Okay, so this is what we are expected to do, and it's neatly done. Now we want to increase the line width of it, so click here. If you are not seeing the line width here, go to customization, and then you select your line width. See, mine is ticked, so it's showing up here. If it's not ticked, see, it's gone. Click on it, and then come and right click, go to line width setting, then choose the thickness of line that you want. Okay, I have selected 0.6 mm, so that is my default. Now if you want to change it, just click on it, and then to increase the line thickness. Okay, let me create a layer and give it dimensions. So you go to layer properties, click on new, give it a name. You can change the color from here. I'll choose, let me choose red, say okay. Now you see it is, the line width is on the default 0.6 mm, so you can change it from here. If not, the dimension also will take the same thickness, so I'll choose 0.154 the dimension, so that the thickness, the line width thickness for the dimension will be different. So after that, you select, make sure the dimension layer is active. Now go to annotation, or you can even select it straight from here. Okay, let's do that of the radius first. Click here, it's 20, seems too small, don't worry, I'll make it a bit bigger. Okay, so to make it bigger, go to dimension, manage dimension style, and go to modify, test and arrow, do it like 4, change it to 4, then test to 2.5, make it like 4. You can make it 5 if you want to be too big. So now you see it's a little bit clear. You can even make it 5. Let's try 5. Close it. Okay, so it's better now. All right, so let's continue. Inside one, good. And let's do, okay, this one. Okay, and then let's give the linear, let's try the linear from this side to this side, 120, then here to here is 80. Here I think no, and then we have from this place to this place, which is 30. What again? I think that's all. First, okay, the top here, let's dimension from this side to this side is 45. Okay, so this is actually what is expected of us, and everything is done. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this. Please make sure you subscribe. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.